two burrowing owls share a low rise in South Dakota's Badlands. Their compact bodies, cloaked in sandy browns and ivory spots that mirror the rugged ground beneath them. Calm yet vigilant, they tilt their golden eyes toward every whispering prairie sound, while the late-day sun bathes their feathers in warm amber light. I found them in that quiet hour before sunset, when the prairie settles. Arriving early enough to feel the heat still radiating from the cracked earth, I moved slowly until the owls came into view. I knelt, holding my breath as one owl cocked its head and the other stayed perfectly still. A soft wind carried the scent of dried grass, and a distant meadowlark called while the sky deepened to hushed gold. When the sun crept lower, its glow intensified the owl's speckled plumage and pulled long shadows across the mound. For several suspended moments they remained, small sentinels holding their ground as daylight slipped away. Photographing them felt like sharing a secret with the plains. This print preserves that twilight stillness and gentle strength. Choose premium photo paper ready for framing, gallery-wrapped canvas, brushed aluminum, or modern acrylic. Each finish uses long-lasting UV-resistant inks and comes in multiple sizes, bringing a touch of Badlands wildlife and quiet resilience to any living room, study, or nursery.